IRS has started, having an intergovernmental agreement, the IG agreements, with all, the Reserve Bank of India, okay, with all the government, like government agencies in the local jurisdictions. What they are doing is they are like collecting the KYC, know your customer, indices and all, and they are reporting it to the IRS. The FinCEN department is like taking care of it. If you are like putting the money from, let's say for example, from US to India, and if you do not provide it, if that account amount is going into your account and having a maximum of $10,000 during the year, then you have to report that FBAR. Okay, and there are certain questions on your personal tax returns where you're saying, hey, yeah, I do have that FBAR requirement. Yeah, I need to file it, and you need to file it. And FATCA, it's a specified financial assets where you need to like file it. Okay, there are certain thresholds for that. It is very important. If you have any ambiguity, please get in touch with us. We will guide you. Okay, I think Virabhai, we have only 1 or 2 minutes. If anybody has any questions, I can answer it.
Yeah, thank you, Ibram Bhai, for you're on right on the time. We are at 12. So thank you for all your information. And there's a lot of things that everybody wants to know. And thank you very much for your time today on this webinar. Now, officially, the session is over, but whoever has any questions, feel free to stay back. And I'm sure Ibrahim Bhai can allocate more time for us to get those answers. Yeah, now probably if you have anything, please raise your electronic hand, and then we can go by one so that we don't have any conflicts. Two people talking at the same time.
Viravai, one first questions from the chat itself. I know you already answered about DBA, but I don't think they were just asking about what that acronym is. They might be trying to understand what DBA means.
Okay. See, DBA means like doing business as. So what happens, let's say, for example, the Google's name is like Alphabet Inc., but they want to do business as a name called Google. So you can certainly, form an LLC like an Ibrahim Mohammed LLC, but I want to do just like Ibrahim as a name, just Ibrahim. So that is my DBA. You need to file an additional form with the department to tell, okay, this is my DBA, and I would be using that on my invoices and all. So that is a DBA.
Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. And Ashik has a question. I think he raised the hand.
Sure.
Yeah, quick question. Same on the series LLC. So, if I have an LLC now, can that be used as a series LLC, or I have to create a new one?
Oh, no, series or the umbrella means you have like multiple LLCs.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to structure it properly, Ashik.
Okay.
Okay, then only we call it as like a series LLC. Okay, if you this is like series LLC has a very big concept. I would suggest we can, allocate some time next week and we can discuss it on it. And if you need
Okay.
any entity structure designing or like saving some taxes or anything, we are there to help you.
Okay. Sounds good. I look
And
for it.
by Ashik is already connected with us, and I'll connect him with you, inshallah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Arbi.
Ibrahim Bhai, there was one question from the chart.
Hmm.
So can we include California property in Texas formed LLC? I think the question related to interstate, the property, California property is in California, but the LLC is formed in Texas.
Okay, again, the question is how, okay, what is the LLC